For those of you who missed the speech by Ravi Menon yesterday, the managing director of the MAS, here are 5 takeaways you need to know about. First, the Singapore FinTech ecosystem. The ecosystem is continuing to grow with more than 30 innovation labs in the city and more than 400 FinTech startups today in Singapore. Second, the open architecture push by the regulator. Regulator is continuing to encourage banks to open up their APIs and embrace open banking. There are today more than 270 APIs that are made available already by Singapore-based financial institutions. Third, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is and will continue to remain an important area of focus by the regulators, because having a big data breach can undermine the confidence of the public, not only towards FinTech, but also the growth of the Smart Nation project. Fourth, RegTech. Not only the regulator is continuing to encourage banks to really embrace RegTech, but also the regulator is embarking on its own journey of supervisory technology, also known as SupTech. For example, monitoring the more than 3,000 transaction reports that are actually made to the regulator every month, the suspicious transaction reports, and able to actually better handle them using technology. And last, KYC. KYC has always been a big trouble for financial institutions all around the world. Some of the recent tests, POCs, and pilots done by the regulator over the last couple of months have been able to actually reduce the time it takes to open an account by up to 80%. The MAS repeated that it's committed to actually coming up with a KYC utility by the end of next year. Hope you enjoyed this little update, and stay tuned for some more updates over the coming days directly from the Singapore FinTech Festival.